Have you ever looked at someone and thought, how do they stay so young? The answer normally has something to do with it not being that easy. However, that's not entirely true. If a person wants to look and feel younger for longer, he or she can. First, exercise plays an important role in someone's youthful appearance, as well as getting enough rest and avoiding unwanted stress. That's not always easy, but the last piece of the Fountain of Youth puzzle is simple: a good diet. Fighting off wrinkles and age spots depends highly on what you eat and how much water you drink. Never forget the importance of proper hydration when considering the well-being of your skin. With that in mind, take a look at a few key foods that will ward off the effect of aging on our skin. Turmeric, a highly used spice in India that has recently found its way into the Western diet. Turmeric fights cancer and inflammation. Plus, it adds great taste to any dish. Many people have found that it has a positive effect on mood and can increase our energy. Best of all, it helps slow down how quickly we age. Avocado, another in the list of foods that has recently grown exponentially in its popularity, is avocado. Known for being high in healthy fat, eaten regularly, it can lower cholesterol and help the skin recover from wounds and trauma. The vitamin C it contains provide the skin with antioxidants, leaving it looking and feeling younger. Oranges. Staying in the same vitamin C vein, oranges, along with other citrus fruits, can provide the skin with other necessary minerals. Folic acid in citrus fruits promote heart and circulatory health. Garlic. If you eat too much, you might have a slight problem trying to get close to your date. But the good news is that your skin will look good while you're trying. Working along with the citrus fruit, it also helps improve circulation and lowers cholesterol. Again, both of these components make your skin look youthful and smooth. Tomatoes. When you hear tomatoes, lycopene normally comes to mind. It's what gives this fruit its fantastically rich color, but it's also a powerful antioxidant. Perhaps the greatest benefit to eating tomatoes has nothing to do with the high vitamin A and C content, nor the folic acid that it contains. Instead, lycopene's ability to protect against the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays is what puts the great-tasting and versatile red tomato on our list for skin-protecting foods. Blueberries. Antioxidants, antioxidants, antioxidants. Like location, location, location when it comes to real estate, the secret to healthy-looking skin comes from antioxidants, and that's exactly what blueberries provide us. They also fight inflammation and joint pain. Adding these and other berries to a daily smoothie will do wonders for your skin. Dark chocolate. No list of foods that have a positive effect on the skin is complete without dark chocolate. While not the same smooth substances as milk chocolate, this darker counterpart is also packed with antioxidants that fight those harmful UV rays and keep the skin healthy. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.